Don't quit too soon. Don't quit too soon your 9 to 5 or your business. I've seen people quit their 9 to 5 and then start their business and quit within 2 weeks. This is too hard. No, do both. Let your 9 to 5 support your business in the beginning. You may have to work on your credit. You may not have enough capital. You may not even have a savings. There may be a time where you make no money. How are you gonna support your personal life? One of the things that I learned in creating that budget, when I lost my tax business, I was out of work for 6 months, wasn't making any money for 6 months, but because I had some money in savings, I was able to still make sure that my bills on my personal side could be satisfied. So it didn't affect or impact my credit score. So then once I got back into business, I could leverage my credit to be able to get some capital to go and start that new business. So don't quit your day job too soon, or don't quit your business just because you're not making any money. Don't always measure the barometer of success for your business just solely off of monetary.